Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LAs.com. Today we're here with our Super Duty truck and we're going to be showing you how to swap out the dim, dingy fog lights that come standard on the truck with a Cree XPD LED fog light bulb from F150LAs.com. This bulb is going to give you a lot better brightness and light output. Plus, with that pure diamond white light, it looks fantastic on the truck. We're going to show you how easy it is to install right now. So swapping out that dim, dingy halogen bulb with our upgraded LEDs is extremely easy. Basically, all that you really need to do is reach behind the bumper here, and you'll be able to grasp that old bulb and with a counterclockwise turn, release it from the housing. And then we'll be able to reinstall our new bulb with a clockwise turn and lock it into place. Now, that's gonna be hard to show on camera right now because of the wheel and tire assembly. Plus, there's some metal plates behind the fog light housing here. So we're going to show you this fog light housing on our bench so that you got a good idea of what you're going to be seeing when you're under the bumper. Okay, so we've got our fog light assembly here off the truck. Again, you don't have to do this. We've just taken it off to show you what you're going to be seeing when you look up under the bumper. So this is obviously the back side of your fog light housing, and this is the bulb that we're going to be replacing. So with a counterclockwise turn, it's going to be released from the housing. Okay, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and connect your bulb to this resistor harness here. So you'll notice this lock-in tab, and there's also kind of like a protrusion on the bottom of the bulb. So you push that directly into place until you hear it snap and it's firmly seated. And now this is going to be the component of our resistor harness here that's going to connect directly to the truck's fog light harness. All right, so once you have replaced your bulb, you're just going to be connecting this directly to the truck's fog light harness. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you putting the bulb in place. So the bulb has 3 tabs, just like the one that you removed. And you'll see on the notches here, there's a smaller tab, and then there's 2 larger tabs. So line up your smaller tab, like so. And once you get your tabs aligned, you'll be able to push the bulb directly into the socket like so, and then with a clockwise turn it'll lock into place. So now we're ready to connect this side of our resistor harness to the truck's fog light harness, and then the only thing that we have to do is using zip ties to ensure that this resistor unit is air hung and not touching any plastic or wires, anything other than metal. Or we can use the included screws and just quickly screw this to the metal plate directly behind our fog light housing. These do get hot, so you don't want them on any plastic or wires. So we've got our Cree LED fog lights installed. They look fantastic. They're definitely an upgrade in brightness. The camera can't capture how much more light these things are putting off, but it's a definite upgrade in both light output and cosmetics. We highly recommend it. You can check it out at F150LAs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lights built specifically for your Ford F-150 and Super Duty trucks. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.